get a 1. Now what can you do?
You did get a cat food by the car, didn't you?
Yeah.
A 6. A 1.
A 6 or a 1?
6. A 10.
Yes. Maybe 2 did.
I guess.
Haha, now what do I get to do?
6. Or a 1.
Very good. I'm gonna do giving Miss Becca a headache. Alright. Your turn. What do you get to do?
4 or 1.
Alright then.
I'll pick magic, abracadabra.
Huh.
Magic.
Haha. Now what do I get to do?
Magic.
What number do I gotta find?
Magic.
Okay.